I'm Brenda here at Chuck Stevens Ford here in Bay Minette, Alabama. I've been here about 6 years, and I've had several of my customers ask me how to change the door code on their Ford with the keypad. So why don't you come on in and let me show you how to do that. All right, you've got to have the factory code in order to change the door code to a personalized code. And in the event that you don't have your factory code, that your salesman didn't give it to you, or you bought a used vehicle, stop by Chuck Stevens Ford here in Bay Minette, and Brenda will help you retrieve it for you. All right, let's get in here and get this factory code changed to personalized. Got to put the factory code in first. Then we're going to hit a 1, 2. Then we're going to put our new code in. It's going to go lock it. You're going to hit 1, 2 to save it. And then we're going to lock it. And we're going to make sure that it took our new code. And voila, it's took our new code. So either factory code or your new personalized code will always work. Factory code is a default. So no matter what, you forget the personalized, this factory code's always gonna work. All right, again, if you don't have your factory code, please come see Brenda here at Chuck Stevens. I will retrieve it for you. Remember, Chuck Stevens Ford in Bay Minette. Come see Brenda.